On this day in 1953, workers at a Chevrolet plant in Flint, Michigan, assembled the first Corvette, a two-seater sports car that would become an American icon. The first completed production car rolled off the assembly line 2 days later, one of just 300 Corvettes made that year. The idea for the Corvette originated with General Motors pioneering designer Harley J. Earl, who in 1951 began developing plans for a low-cost American sports car that could compete with Europe's AMGs, Jaguars, and Ferraris. The project was eventually codenamed Opel. In January 1953, GM debuted the Corvette concept car at its Motorama Auto Show at the Waldorf-Astoria Hotel in New York City. It featured a fiberglass body and a 6-cylinder engine and, according to GM, was named for the trim, Fleet naval vessel that performed heroic escort and patrol duties during World War II. The Corvette was a big hit with the public at Motorama, and GM soon put the roadster into production. On June 30, 1953, the first Corvette came off the production line in Flint. It was hand-assembled and featured a polo white exterior and red interior, 2-speed power glide automatic transmission, a wraparound windshield, white wall tires and detachable plastic curtains instead of side windows. The earliest Corvettes were designed to be opened from the inside and lacked exterior door handles. Other components included a clock, cigarette lighter and red warning light that activated when the parking brake was applied, a new feature at the time. The car carried an initial price tag of $3,490 and could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 11 or 12 seconds, then considered a fairly average speed. In 1954, the Corvette went into mass production at a Chevy plant in St. Louis, Missouri. Sales were lackluster in the beginning, and GM considered discontinuing the line. However, rival company Ford had introduced the two-seater Thunderbird around the same time, and GM did not want to be seen bowing to the competition. Another critical development in the Corvette's survival came in 1955, when it was equipped with a more powerful V8 engine. Its performance and appeal steadily improved after that, and it went on to earn the nickname America's sports car and become ingrained in pop culture through multiple references in movies, television, and music.